Hey people, well I thought we'd revisit this fan since we visited the Hunter box over there. This is the one that I have that's under the brand name of Ward's Signature. I think I had this for about a year now or so. Could be wrong, but this is my first one with this style blade set. And the egg crate grill. Sadly, the grill in this one's not in as good condition as that one. It's just a bit yellowed and it's cracked in places, like here, and down there. It's pretty much the same as that one, except the switch and the speed tag are all in the middle, right behind the handle. And this is all it has for a tag. It just says airspeed selector. And it just has this tiny little knob. However, instead of a solid brown, as you can see, it's this wood grain color. Get a view from the side again. Yeah, nice look at that wood grain. There's the other side. And around to the back. Metal back grill. And once again the good old Hunter R&M motor. And this is the other fan I consider to be the powerhouse in my collection, both this and this one. I think when you pair this blade set with the Venturi, you get really outrageous airflow. So here's this one running again. It's high. It's medium. Low. Back to high. And as always, OWF spells off. Pesky cat. Trying to bug the crap out of me while I'm trying to make a video. Yeah, this one's got good coast down time too, but it's not as long as on that one. The one on this one's like insane. So here's a revisit to the one I have under the Wards badge, or Ward's Signature. So thank you for watching. And I think for the next video I'll put these two powerhouses together. So thanks again for watching.